about it. Let's talk about it. Yeah, I know it's been a long years. Happy New Year's to all of y'all, wherever you guys are. I hope you guys enjoyed time with your family. I did. I enjoyed myself. I had a lot of fun, and I'm just keeping you guys updated on what has been going on with me. Been busy. Sorry, I haven't been uploading no video for the longest. It doesn't mean that I haven't, forgotten about y'all or I haven't forgot about the channel. So for 2019, the goal is to bring out more content to the channel. It will be a lot of different topics, not just about cars. It could be anything mechanical, and I'll be vlogging here and there every once in a blue moon because sometimes I don't have the time to quickly post the same day. So I have to go and edit or get everything done and then to bring it out to you guys. So I don't really want to go ahead and give you guys because I see a lot of YouTubers talk about it. They'll be like, "Oh, I'm gonna post up one video or two video, three videos a day." At the moment, I can't do that. Right now, it's not my full-time job, so I can't really post video every day. So whenever I get a chance over the weekend, whenever I get out from my regular job, I'll go ahead and post up a video or make a video, quick, short video. And I'm trying to minimize my videos or keep them short because I know most people like to watch video about 4 minutes to 5 minutes long. That's how much people will spend on the video because they want to go ahead and look up all the videos. So I want them to just get the interest into my videos. I'm gonna summarize everything into small video and post it, and then I'm gonna be each topic. I'm gonna break them to pieces. It could be tire rotation, how to remove a paint scratch. So each one of those is gonna be breaking into small parts, so that way it won't take long or how do I say it won't drag your time or I'll use up all your time that you may be using that to invest into look up all the different channels or different activities. So I want to minimize that. I don't want to keep the video 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 40 minutes because I know there's not a lot of people going to give all that time for just one video. And I want to be fair for the time being until the channel start growing and start transiting to different activities, car meets and all that, and then I'll be able to do that. But for now, I just wanted to keep you guys updated. And there's gonna be topic about salvage titles, clean titles, how people, what people think about salvage title when they hear it, and what people think about clean title when they hear it. And I wanna talk, talk about it. It's things that I don't see a lot of people talk about, and I feel like people already have a mind in the head that, oh my God, if I hear salvage title, that means that car got chopped up in so many pieces. In reality, it's not. You can have a clean title vehicle and you don't know if that car got chopped up or not. So it's a subject that I feel like we have to talk about, and I hope that you guys comment on the ground, jeez, on the bottom of the page. Give me a topic or things that you would like to talk about, referring to automotive, cars, anything automotive. So that way we don't get off the topic. The only time I would do that is on maybe whenever I'm vlogging. So thank you for spending your time with me and watching my videos and be patient with me. I know there's a lot of pre-existing vehicles that I had on there that I haven't updated. So I'll make updates on those vehicles pretty soon. So bear with me. The one you see behind me is the F30 BMW 320ai. I already removed the engine, and as you can see, it was burned. So it looks pretty jacked up. I'll make sure you guys a glimpse of it. and the engine is right here on my left. So you guys have a wonderful year and be productive, and always be thankful that God gave you another day to live and to enjoy life. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.